YBH.
I'ma show the outside to get my thumbnail and stuff like that. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Jay, and today you see we back with another video game. But today I know y'all shit by that title and that thumbnail, bro. We got y'all a POV drive in the Jeep, you feel me? So this is what we gonna do, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. Move it up a little bit so I kinda get the camera view. So basically, bro, I'ma just be cruising through the city today, bro. Just get y'all a little POV drive. We probably had that on so y'all can see how much horsepower and stuff I'm putting down. But I ain't gonna be going too crazy. I will put on my seatbelt though, so y'all don't gotta hear that beat. There you go. So the beat is no longer. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys, I ain't doing POV in a minute, bro. I'm not gonna even cap to y'all. Let me actually hold up, y'all boys. Let me set something up with the camera. Hold up, my bad, y'all. I'm moving the mic, so it might sound like I'm touching the lot. There you go. Okay, I got y'all boys. How we looking? How the POV looking? You see we got a few little cars. We about to go in a few though. Okay, we good. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna be going too fast, bro, but I'm pushing it probably a little bit. I ain't gonna be able to go too fast though. I'm gonna probably get like a little outside POV though, so y'all can see how this thing looking. Cause I got that bit cleaned up. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all boys. I got that bit all the way cleaned up, gang. So we riding nice and clean. All we really gotta do is, I had another, see this menu right here. I found something else out about this Jeep, bro. Whenever my partner reprogrammed it, they actually got launch pages in here too. But it be glitching sometimes. Sometimes it show up, sometimes it don't. And I got a different type drive mode too I could change. I'm gonna probably show y'all that in another video, but I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm gonna make a whole separate video for that, bro. Cause when I found out that was kind of crazy, bro. Like, I actually have launch control in here. I did not know that, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I really did not know that. I'm gonna probably move the steering wheel down a little bit so y'all kind of see. Yeah, there you go. Kind of see what we got going. I hope it's not too dark, the POV. I hope it's not too dark, bro. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be. I don't know why on the camera sometimes it be looking dark when it's really not. I don't know why I do that. This mirror not moving though. Let's see what type timing he's on. Okay. I hope y'all can see. I hope it's not dark, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's daytime, so it shouldn't. I think that's just how the camera look right now. But this is a low light camera, bro. It should not be dark. Now I might give it a little pull right here, cause they don't really got nothing on the road. Yeah, they don't got nothing on the road. What that is, a bumper? Damn! Somebody bumper right there, gang. Somebody bumper right there. So I ain't gonna lie, bro. The other day, I don't know what I see, bro. But I don't know why the other day, bro, I had they actually had a crazy accident on the bridge, bro. Like, that bit was bad. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boys. That bit was bad, man. Yeah, I know it was like a dump truck or something was involved in it. It was pretty bad, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boys. So that's why I just be driving a little more so on the safer side. Cause I don't need no accidents on my burger. Clean burger. You know what time it is. Stay clean too. just make sure, like, I know it's a time and place for everything, bro. Like, yeah, you want to cut up on the bridge and stuff like that, but you gotta already know, bro. Like, not all the time you gonna really be able to cut up. And this just a little daytime POV game for y'all boys. I'ma show the outside to get my thumbnail and stuff like that. But I ain't gonna lie, this tow truck, bro. Like, why is you in the left lane, bro? Do you see this, bro? Like, why is you in the left lane, my dude? Ain't nothing in the middle lane or the right lane, bro. Like, I'm not even speeding though, so I'm going 60, gang. Like, y'all see this? The speed limit 50, brother. And then they got the brother. Come on, son. See, they trying to block the boy in. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I got a daily driver, bro. It's a little smaller car, it's a coupe. And in that bit, I would have been hit the little gap right here, bro. But in this bit, I'm not gonna mess with it, bro. But damn, bro, like, what's wrong with the tow truck? I ain't gonna lie, bro. Hold on. I gotta get around him real quick. I ain't gonna lie to you. My bad, I had to get around him real quick. That's it. Alright, we good. They been got a little pickup though, so people be sleeping on this, man. There's a little 6. But they got some pickup. Shit show. Shit show. You see we going across that water, man. You already know what time it is. Across that water, man. I'm gonna get my thumbnail picture on. For y'all boys real quick. For sure. Here's the bridge, the view. With the steering wheel and the little lights in here. At nighttime it really look crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. Y'all already know at nighttime, bro, it's like a whole I don't know, bro. It look fake almost, bro. It be crazy in this bit at nighttime. I ain't gonna lie to you. The sunlight is definitely blind and stuff, bro. But me, I ain't gonna lie. My windshield tinted, so it ain't really affecting me like how you would think. That's why I tint my windshield in the first place, because I already know, but the sunlight is not gonna play at all. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys, bro. It look like we coming up on some traffic, and that's not good. Okay, that's not good, bro. I do not like traffic. That's not a police, that's a fake. I'm not worrying about it. I really want this thing. He got out the way, there's another car in the way. It's crazy. Oh shit, I'm almost hopping in the middle, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't know what. So it be so many people on the road, gang. Like, ain't no way. Like, bro, how all y'all human? Like, bro, it be a lot of humans, yeah. Like, not on no crazy stuff, but like, damn. Ain't no way. Oh, this man hitting brakes in the left lane, gang. He hitting brakes in the left lane, gang. Look at this shit. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. Damn. Bro, why do they do that? Like, my God, don't ride the left lane if you gonna do that, bro. Like, what? You gonna ride the left lane, then hurry up and brake check everybody in the left lane just to get over, gang? Like, that's how you rocking, bro? It's good, my G, but damn, like, fuck with the middle lane or the slow lane, something, bro. You can't just hold everybody up, my G. I ain't gonna lie. One thing I would say though, son, it feel like, I don't know, the steering wheel, well, I say all G steering wheel, like, they more so like tight, like, not really tight, but like they stiff. So like, I love the handling, bro. The handling is definitely, it's like, I can let the steering wheel go. Like, you see what I'm saying? I don't got no hands on the steering wheel, and I'm just driving straight right now. Like, it's a Tesla, you feel me? Let the bitch drive itself. But now I wouldn't do that, you feel me? And I'm not telling y'all to drive with no hands, bro. All I'm saying is, bro, to me, I like cars that got like a stiffer type feel and power steering. I see. Cause it's I don't know. I just like how it feel, bro. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys, son. I'ma just get the little thumbnail and whatnot. I ain't gonna really make this video too long. I'm about to go with my people or whatnot. So I'ma catch up with y'all boys in the next video, gang. It's your boy Young J, man. We out, gang.
Bro, them trigger happy, every Glock came with a stendo. Say when we spin this bitch, don't swing my dough, hang out the window. This bitch gon' do whatever I fucking say, like bitch Caprendo.